Could hidden software flaws expose your campus data? You're receiving the CyberStreams system update, your daily bite of cyber news. My name is Matt Cordell, and I'm the COO of CyberStreams. We are your neighborhood IT department. Today's update: zero-day exploits target higher ed networks. At CyberStreams, we protect higher education from zero-day exploits, previously unknown software vulnerabilities attackers use before patches exist. These flaws, like secret backdoors, let hackers steal data or install malware. It's like finding a lock nobody knew was broken. In 2024, zero-day attacks rose 50%, with 30% targeting universities due to open networks and research data. As I noted in post 367, brute force attacks surge, higher ed at risk. Higher ed's diverse systems amplify risks. As discussed in post 365, why universities must prioritize cybersecurity awareness now, the 2023 MOVEit breach, exploiting a zero-day flaw in file transfer software, compromised data at over 2,600 organizations, including universities like UCLA. In June 2017, University College London, or UCL, suffered a major ransomware attack that bypassed antivirus protections by exploiting a suspected zero-day vulnerability, encrypting files on both local and shared drives, causing significant disruption to staff and students. The incident response team temporarily blocked access to the network drives to contain the spread. Like my four little kids working together solving puzzles, attackers piece together flaws to infiltrate networks in the search for the next zero-day. Zero-days are often sold on the dark web markets for up to $1 million, fueled by state-sponsored attacks. We're hearing more reports these days about China, Russia, and North Korea targeting DoD-funded research. 47% of breaches involve unpatched systems, risking FERPA or GDPR fines and compromising NIST 800-171 compliance and CMMC certification required for DoD grants. CyberStreams equips campuses to stay secure against these hidden threats. I've put together 3 takeaways and next steps. First, prioritize patch management. Check vendor sites regularly for updates. Apply critical patches within 48 hours to close known and potential zero-day flaws. Automate any patching that can be automated. Second, deploy intrusion detection and prevention system. Use IDS/IPS tools to monitor network traffic and stop known threat signatures. Set alerts for unusual activity that could indicate zero-day exploits. The key here is active monitoring and response. Set it and forget it is not an effective security strategy. And third, back up critical data. Data should be backed up off-site and air-gapped as frequently as possible to prevent threat actors from compromising that data and minimize data lost in an incident. CyberStreams completes full server backups every 15 minutes. For more on securing your campus against zero-day threats, click the link in the comments or email me at matt@cyberstreams.com. This concludes your CyberStreams system update, and this is Matt Cordell signing off.